Leveraging the power of SAP, Phlow can really focus on its mission to save lives. At Phlow, we're redefining how essential medicines are made in America. We were looking for a solution that would actually integrate all of our business functions, providing us with secure, highly reliable digital operating platform. With SAP S/4HANA Private Cloud, we ensure that life-saving medicines are always within reach. So SAP S/4HANA Private Cloud has helped us to fully integrate our business processes, providing us with a great platform to integrate our digital ecosystem. Our complex digital ecosystem requires the ability to properly integrate different applications. SAP BTP is the answer to our needs to integrate and transform data to enable the decision-making process. From advanced manufacturing to a resilient supply chain, Phlow has leveraged SAP to set the standards for quality and reliability, allowing us to achieve full traceability and compliance through SAP real-time integrated data. Cognitus has been a critical partner. They brought great subject matter expertise to the table. Our next big milestone is to complete our digital ecosystem implementation and to continue enabling the organization through the implementation of innovative technologies that will increase quality, reduce operational expenses, and improve time to market. Jewel is one of the AI solutions that we are evaluating to continue automating our business processes. AI is going to play a key role.